These days, everyone is saying that AI UGC is replacing the real creator. And tools like Arcade AI claims they can produce hyper-realistic UGC videos for TikTok Shop in just a few minutes. This is either my biggest competitor or the biggest shortcut to make money online in 2026. So today we're going to see if AI UGC tools like Arcades are actually very efficient to make money online, or is it just another AI tool on the top? And now I'm going to show you how exactly I made that using AI. First, let's take a look at the UGC video that's been created with the real human creator. We hired her, wrote the script, shot the footage, and edited everything from scratch. It's the kind of high quality UGC brands loves. But it takes time, money, and coordination. So the real question is, can AI alone create something close enough to look real and be ready to run as an ad? Now, let's jump into Arcades. I pasted the main part of the script into a tool. Then I choose an AI actor. Arcades has a whole library of real actors and full AI creators for you to pick from. But in this video, I use the main actors features, where you actually create your own AI actor from scratch. You can even upload your own face and it turns into a real AI actor. After choosing the actor, I pasted the script and adjusted the voice. Because since Arcades uses a credit system, it's best to perfect the audio first so you don't waste credits on bad generations. Once the audio sounded good, I generated the video. Now, the UGC video has finished rendering. Let's watch it together. And wow, look at this! From the way the character moves, to the eyes, to the natural camera shake, everything looks surprisingly real. Of course it's not perfect, especially the lip sync. But this character was generated entirely from a text prompt, not a real actor. So honestly, the result is far better than I expected. Here is the AI-generated version of the ad. To be honest, I'm really impressed. Everything looks so real. The voice, the script, the actor, it looks perfectly like a real ad. Instead of paying 10 creators to make 10 different videos, you can use AI to test 20 ideas in just a few days. Find the one that performs the best, and only if the brands want a premium version, then you can hire a real creator to reshoot it. The winner in 2026 won't be the people asking, is this real or AI? They will be the people asking, how fast can I test 20 hooks and scale the one that brings the more money? AI UGC is simply the tool that lets you test faster, saving money, and be the most efficient to make money online. So guys, if you want to make money online with AI in 2026, try this. Especially with TikTok Shop, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or running ads from clients. Then AI UGC is something you absolutely should be using. It helps you produce videos faster, test ideas more often, and optimize costs dramatically. If you guys want to try Arcades, I've dropped the link below.